Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can disable the Autoplay GIFs option in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open up the Line Messenger app on your phone. What you need to do next is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then you can find Settings on the top right hand corner. Tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, you can scroll a little bit down and find Photos and Videos, which is right under General. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the Autoplay GIFs option. So if you want the GIFs to not be played automatically, you can disable it quite easily. Just go ahead and turn this button off and you can see now that it has been disabled. But if you want to enable it again, don't you worry, because it's quite easy. Go to Home, click on Settings, scroll a bit down, and under General find Photos and Videos. Go ahead and tap on Photos and Videos and enable the Autoplay GIF option. Now your GIFs which your friend sent or you will send will automatically be played in the chat. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.